नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kartas, everyone sitting with us all over the world, with my love and blessings. Everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. First thing I wanted to share today is everything is in order. Understand? When I see the space of Kailasa, I am overwhelmed because of the intensity, not because of the chaos. Getting overwhelmed because of intensity is positive. Getting overwhelmed because of chaos is negative. When I see Kailasa, I am overwhelmed. Not because there is chaos, no. It is extremely orderly. But intensity of the order, that is something extraordinarily beautiful. Understand? It is like a amazing orderly circus happening in trillion time. See, when you see an amazing orderly performance, a circus or that kind of shows, the talent shows. When you see that kind of a talent shows or circus, very orderly, but very intense, when you see that kind of shows, how you feel? I am seeing trillion times that kind of orderly but intense show. Kailasa is nothing but trillion times orderly. I should say even zillion times orderly, intense show. Understand? The intensity makes me overwhelming. Whenever you feel intensity making you overwhelming, you feel blissful. Wow! Whenever you feel overwhelmed due to perception of the chaos, you lose trust on life. Understand? Listen to the sacred secrets. First thing, you start branding your low energy as fear or impossibility. And then once you brand your low mood or low energy as fear or as impossibility, you start identifying your fear or impossibility as an entity and you start fighting with it. Maybe my fear has certain intuition or a message for me to be careful, to be alert about something, to be strategic about something, to be very beware. Somebody goes to Ramana Maharshi and asks, Bhagavan, what is the meaning of my dream? He says beautifully, even your waking state has no meaning. What meaning for your dream state? That is exactly the answer I will give. If you come and ask me, what is the message my fear is trying to convey to me? I'm born from Tiruvannamalai, good place. I don't know bad words. The maximum bad words I know is loose, loose, mudevi, panni. These are the bad words I learnt in the young age. Now the Western world, from internet I learnt some words that's different. But by nature, the bad words which I learnt is loose, panni. I know only those small bad words. So you yourself fill bigger bad words towards your fear. Understand? First thing, listen. Your hormonal chemical ups and downs, you start giving big names for it. Fear, impossibility, anger pattern. Actually, you don't have anger to anybody. You are fundamentally stupid. Instead of branding your stupidity as stupidity, you try to defend your stupidity. When you try to defend your stupidity, you try to throw tantrum towards anyone who makes you realize you are stupid or who pokes your stupidity. Understand? It is like a Kumbhakarna took a boon that he should sleep 6 months continuously. Anybody disturbs his sleep should be destroyed. That same boon finally destroyed Ravana. Understand, anyone tries to wake up Kumbhakarna, he will get so angry, he will destroy them. Finally, the same pattern, he destroyed his own brother Ravana, who took care of him, fed him. Listen carefully. All of you fundamentally need to stop giving big names for your problems. Give simple names. Stupid, loose, cranky, ஒரு நட்டு லூசு, ஒரு screw loose. Give like that simple names for your problems. Then it is easy for you to clean them up. Even when somebody touches your wound, you will not be angry towards them. You will not throw tantrum towards them. You will understand, yes, there is a wound. I just need to heal it. Understand, a person who looks at his problems as it is will know who is trying to help him, who is trying to exploit his weakness. Listen. Whoever tries to help you Take their support. They are your soulmates. Atma Bandhus. Whoever tries to exploit, you don't need to be angry with them, keep them away. Many times I'll tell these people who try to exploit me or my Sangha, they will send a big completion message. Oh, Swamiji, please accept my completion. Accept me back into the Sangha. I'll say, yes, I accept your completion. I am compassionate enough to accept your completion, but I am intelligent enough to not to trust you or make you a power center in the Sangha. I will always tell people, I know who is trying to heal the weaknesses, blind spots we have, who is trying to exploit the blind spots we have. Please understand, till everyone gets enlightened, people will have blind spots. In Sangha only I function without blind spots. So everyone who is gathering and growing, they will have one or two small blind spots and they are all growing. Some who help those people to recover, get rid of the blind spots and completion or whatever. If there is a small crack in the dam, helping, sacrificing to protect the dam. There are some cunning fellows who try to make the crack bigger and exploit. And finally, imagining or fantasizing they can damage the dam. No. Dam cares dam for you. Dam cannot be damaged. You guys function from imagination. Me, I've imagined a nation itself. Not just imagined. I've imaged a nation. Understand, you guys function out of imagination. I imaged a nation. You think you can try to crack some cracks or exploit the Sangha? No one can exploit the Sangha. Understand? I will protect the Sangha and I'll make the Sangha understand who will support you and who will try to exploit you. Have all the people who will support you. They are Atma Bandhus, soulmates. Soulmate may not be the complete translation for the Atma Bandhu. But okay word. But never allow the exploiters. Listen carefully in your life also. Understand one truth. Life is in order. When you meditate on this truth, life is in order. Your life is also in order. Look at your life. A beautiful, intense order. Beautiful, intense ardor. Understand? If you cognize life is in order, cosmos will reveal many of its secrets to you. You will know who is here to support you, who is here to exploit you. See, actually, I am in intense samadhi. That's why I am sitting in the posture of Arunagiri Yogeshwara. This is the asana posture Arunagiri Yogeshwara used to sit. I can see very clearly the whole world is a beautiful, orderly circus. If you have seen that Lion the King show or David Copperfield, his magic show, Lion the King, dance show, if you see all that, how things are orderly. The whole universe is like that, orderly, but very intense. Extremely intense. Extremely intense. Understand? The whole universe is a high intensity orderly. High intensity and orderly. And I tell you, if you meditate on this and internalize, you will have tremendous trust on Paramashiva. Actually, trust growing on Paramashiva is trust growing on Astitva, isness, Astitva, Iruppu, existence. Grounds you so beautifully, I tell you. Nothing can ground you so beautifully than the trust on Paramashiva. That's the most powerful meditation technique, powerful cognition for physical health or mental health. Extremely powerful mental health and powers can manifest in you by trust on Paramashiva. See, I tell you, listen very carefully. This is one of the very important technique and truth. The inhaling breath goes and touches the core consciousness of you and then comes out as exhaling breath. See, the inhale and exhale, in that gap, you experience the pure consciousness core of you. If that core has trust on Paramashiva, literally you breathe Paramashiva. That tremendous life energy flows through you. Understand? Don't be like a Kumbhakarna. Kumbhakarna, he is so attached to his sleep, anybody wakes him up, he will kill them, destroy them. I have many Kumbhakarnas in Kailasa. They are so attached to their sleep and laziness. If you wake them, they will be so angry. And the worst thing is, they start believing their anger is a pattern. Hey, your anger is not a pattern. Your attachment to your sleep is the source problem. Don't fight with wrong patterns. You don't have anger. You are fool. You are stupid. For anger, you need to be having some guts and strength. Lazy Lusu cannot have anger. Lifeless, impotent pigs cannot have anger. For anger, you need certain level of integrity. Trying to protect your laziness and trying to throw tantrum because somebody is asking you to be awake, alive, active, living life. If somebody is asking you to get out of your laziness, you become angry at them. You start throwing tantrum. The best, most disciplined ashram in our whole Sangha is Madurai Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapetam. That is just because of one lady, Ma Annamayananda. Just that one lady, she sacrificed, one brahmacharini, she sacrificed her non-integrity. She decided to be integrated. That's it. One person. One lady. So religiously training. Bunch of cheapos. The worst gang of the Sangha is the gang sitting in Madurai Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeeta. And the best ashram running in our Sangha is Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeeta. Because of that one person, one brahmacharini, her integrity. You can't bend her, you can't break her, you can't bribe her. She is absolutely integrated to Kalabhairava. She will put the timetable, and yoga means yoga, puja means puja, class means class, temple means temple. That's it. The best run ashram is Madurai Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeeta. Worst bunch of cheats is the gang which is sitting in Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeeta. Out of the worst bunch, cheap cheats, she made the best ashram. Just one person's integrity. I was shocked. Actually, I did not know how to train these boys and wake them up from their eternal laziness. Understand? Woman destroys herself because of jealousy. Man destroys himself because of laziness. Kumbhakarna and Surpanaka. Jealousy. Kumbhakarna. Laziness. Understand? Kumbhakarna. Laziness. If you try to be with the ecosystem which supports your laziness, you become like a Kumbhakarna associated with Ravana. Ravana is the ecosystem you decide to live. All that bunch of cheats sitting in Shyamala Pita, Sarvagna Pita, if they are outside, if they live in the Ravana ecosystem, they will not get a single meal. Fortunately, they have decided to stay with the Kailasa ecosystem. I tell you, man destroys himself by laziness. Woman destroys herself by jealousy. Surpanaka destroys herself by jealousy. A jealous woman, she gets ecosystem of more jealous people. It is like a Surpanaka associated with Ravana. Over. If Kumbhakarna, a lazy man, gets into the ecosystem, the gang of the same type of people, it is like Kumbhakarna associated with Ravana. Over. But only one person, Annamaya, her integrity. She made the whole Shyamala Pita, Sarvagna Pita into Kailasa. Grace of Paramashiva, Parvati, Parashakti, Sundareshwara Paramashiva and Meenakshi Parashakti. Actually, that's Tala, Kshetra. Because that Shyamala Pita, Sarvagna Pita is there in that property. Sundareshwara Paramashiva and Meenakshi Parashakti are directly working. That is why that ashram is the best ashram. Perfect routine. Perfect spiritual practice. Anybody wants to get enlightened, if you are a male, go and join in Madurai Shyamala Pita, Sarvagna Pitam. I guarantee you will get enlightened within 1 year. No complaints, no running away, no cheating, no fraudulence. Just simply follow the routine with integrity. In 1 year, you will get enlightened. You will start manifesting powers. The enlightenment will start in you. No fighting with integrity officer. No abusing integrity officer. Anyone abuses integrity officer will get the karma of abusing Kalabhairava. Anyone disrespects integrity officer will get the same karma of disrespecting Kalabhairava. Because integrity officer is doing the responsibility of Kalabhairava. Anyone wants enlightenment. Any male body person wants enlightenment. I guarantee enlightenment. Go and live in Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapitam for 1 year. Without abusing, fighting with integrity officer. Follow the integrity. Understand, from Kailasa many things came to planet Earth. I can identify few things for all of you. One, Ganga. Ganga came directly from Kailasa. Second, our Bididi Kalpavriksha, banyan tree, it is directly from Kailasa. Arunachala hill, it is directly from Kailasa. That Sundareshwara's Garbha Mandir, Sundareshwara Paramashiva's Garbha Mandir, that Indra Vimanam is directly from Kailasa. And that Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapitam, in which Sundareshwara Paramashiva and Meenakshi Parashakti sat and ruled the universe, that Pitam also directly from Kailasa. It is there in our property. That is why I got that property. I don't know how many feet under the ground, but exactly that is the property. It is there. That Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapitam, where Meenakshi and Sundareshwara sat and ruled the universe. That Sthana Bala, that Kshetra, strength, power of that energy field will make you enlightened. Sincerely be integrated to the routine, break the laziness, break the Kumbhakarna in you. The worst Kumbhakarnas I have seen. Kumbhakarna is the worst cheat. And the worst Kumbhakarnas I have seen are sitting in Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeeta. But one integrated person, one person integrated to Kalabhairava is able to handle so many Kumbhakarnas. There is a Kalabhairava ring in Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeetam. Give it to Ma Annamaya. Annamaya should wear that Kalabhairava ring. From now onwards, Annamaya will have the protection of Kalabhairava. She is representative of Kalabhairava. Anybody fights or abuses Annamaya will get the karma of fighting or abusing Kalabhairava. I tell you. If I get one integrity officers like Annamaya, I will make thousands of Kailasa. To make one Kailasa, I don't need property. I need a one person, integrity officer like Annamaya. No fear, no anger, no exploitation, no greed, no personal favor. There is no incompletion. Straight, I am integrated to Kalabhairava. That's it. If I get one integrity officer like Annamaya, I can make one Kailasa. All you need is only integrity officers. Thousands and thousands of seekers lose their path not because of lust, but because of laziness. I tell you. Not because of lust, but because of laziness. Nothing else is a bigger destruction or a black cage in enlightenment than laziness. Nor lust, nor fear. Nothing else is a bigger obstacle than the laziness. If you can get out of Kumbhakarna, you won the game. One Kalabhairava, one person integrated to Kalabhairava is representative of Kalabhairava. One representative of Kalabhairava, I can see, is running the best Kailasa in the Sangha. And I wanted to give this good news to all of you. Meenakshi Parashakti, Sundareshwara Paramashiva are so happy the way that campus is running. Now we have got 2 more properties just adjacent to the building and we are buying it. Now we are expanding it. I want all the devotees, especially Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita Yajamans and Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita Kartas, whoever donated for Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita, I want to thank all of you and want to give you this update. We are buying 2 more properties along with the Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita, and I am so happy. Understand? Really, Meenakshi Parashakti, Sundareshwara Paramashiva, both of them are happy the way that Kailasa, Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita is running. That is why they are blessing us with more and more properties. And I also wanted to tell you, all the Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita Yajamans and Shyamalapita Sarvanyapita Kartas, I am expanding not only that property, expanding it into a Gurukul and multiple other activities. Any man wants to have enlightenment. Go to Shyamalapita Sarvanyapitam without grumbling, grudging, fighting, abusing, screaming, without incompletion, just with integrity to integrity officer there, live. Meditate on this one truth: the universe is orderly. Understand? When you understand universe is in order, you will have so much of faith on Paramashiva. See, faith on Paramashiva destroys all the laziness. What is laziness? Non-involvement with life, frustration on life. Astitva, the trust on Paramashiva, grounds you so beautifully. I tell you, trust on Paramashiva is one of the important thing we should add in every child, because you will feel so grounded. You will not be agitated for small things. You will not throw tantrum for all small things. The tantrum throwing loses. I have seen these ungrounded kids who don't have trust on Paramashiva or the higher existence. Just because their mother did not give the sweet equally to sister and her, or brother and her, she will be ready to put fire to the whole home, whole house. tantrum throwing, stupid, cheap, ungrounded, agitated demons, devils. I tell you. Trust on Paramashiva. Understanding the whole universe is an orderly, zillion circus. Getting overwhelmed because of the intensity, not because of any chaos. That grounds you so well. That makes the explosion of bliss in your system. All the lazy fellows should meditate on this truth. Trust on Paramashiva will ground you, heal inside, will remove all the laziness and the tantrums you throw because of your laziness. Understand? Trust on Paramashiva will make your skin glow. Because inside you are so beautiful, your skin will start glowing. Your whole being will start shining. I have always seen, whenever that Sangha, that campus happens with integrity, Paramashiva blesses wealth, land, whatever is required, just I have seen that campus expands like a biddi. It was half acre, not even 1 acre, half acre donation. That is the way Biddi campus started. Now it is 3-digit acres, not 2, 3-digit acres. And expanding, expanding, expanding. Same way Kashi. Kashi is also expanding. Tiruvannamalai is expanding. But I don't want to say Tiruvannamalai campus is running with integrity. Actually, to be head of a Kailasa, you don't need anything other than integrity. Today, formally, I make Ma Annamayananda as the head of the Shyamalapeta Sarvanyapeta of Madurai. From today, she will not just be integrity officer, she will be head, lead of the SSJP, Madurai. All you need is integrity. You don't need any other smartness, cunningness, strategy, all that. Straight, simple integrity, that's it. Anywhere I see even one person like Annamaya, simple integrity, over, that campus will flourish. Because Kalabhairava's blessings are there. Simple integrity. Yoga time, do yoga. Puja time, do puja. What you are supposed to visualize, do it sincerely. Satsang time, be in satsang. Sleep time, go and sleep. Simple integrity. That's all. If you meditate on this truth, whole universe is in orderly. Zillions of circus happening in an orderly way. Get overwhelmed due to the intensity, not because of any chaos, because there is no chaos. If you constantly believe world is chaos, you will not be able to trust Paramashiva and get grounded in the reality. If you understand the universe is running orderly, it is zillions of circus happening in orderly. You can get overwhelmed due to intensity, but not because there is any chaos. If you understand this one truth, you will have so much trust on Paramashiva and get grounded. So much healing and bliss will manifest through you. Meditate on this truth today and chant Mahavagya. Internalize this cognition and chant Mahavagya now. I'll make you manifest the power of glowing skin. You will just start glowing. Let's start.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva.
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. I bless you all. Today also, continue to make at least 101 persons install Enlighten app. You also install, help more and more people to install Enlighten app and watch the satsang every day. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.